Wrapping up a sunny and cool day across eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. It was nice to see the sun today, but it's of course been cold with temperatures into the teens and 20s. But hey, you may have noticed a couple degrees warmer than yesterday, and then a day before that we were also looking at some slightly warmer temperatures. We're in a nice little steady warming trend as we inch a little bit closer to the weekend. Now we're going to change things up a little bit. We are expecting to pull in some clouds late tonight through tomorrow morning with a slight chance of some snow and areas of freezing fog. Right now in Idaho Falls, you can see the sunset here, the First Alert Skycam. We got temperatures right now 20 degrees. Very little movement with the wind, but enough to bring down the wind chill just a bit back down into the teens. That's what it feels like outside. We switch it up to the Pocatello Farm Bureau Skycam. The sun is setting over the valley with a clear sky. We're expecting to see more of that cloud cover and fog seeping in from the north tonight. We got 33 degrees at the Pocatello Airport just west of town with winds out of the west at 8 miles an hour. As we go into places like Jackson, we've been seeing plenty of sunshine, and it was warmer in Jackson compared to Idaho Falls today with the temperature inversion. 32 degrees right now at the Jackson Hole Airport and no wind reported. We're starting to see some clouds creeping into areas of Lemhi County this evening with overcast conditions. This is what's coming in from the north. This is what's going to be happening here for tonight and tomorrow. We're going to see more of this cloud cover beginning to take hold across the region. We're 30 degrees right now at the Salmon Airport. On the Viper, pretty dry across eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. You're seeing a bit of wet weather getting out of Oregon and Washington and North Idaho tonight, and this stuff sliding down the jet stream as we continue to have a big ridge of high pressure just sit and spin here off the California and Oregon coastline, and all of this storminess wrapping around this ridge of high pressure. And by the time we get down into our neck of the woods, a lot of this wet weather is spent, and we're going to see the bulk of the snow falling to areas to our north and to our east, with just a trickle of this moisture sliding in here locally as we are trying to push this high pressure in from the west coast, but we have cold stormy conditions to our northeast, and we sit in between these systems. And pretty much like we saw for the past couple of days, we have cold air coming down along for the ride out of the jet stream, but we're starting to see a slight warming trend off of that high. For tomorrow, we'll have a bit of some snow, mostly focused up towards Montana and areas to our east. And then for Thursday, drier conditions will work into the region, but that high pressure is going to keep the fog and low cloud cover in place, and we're going to be dealing with mostly cloudy conditions for Thursday and Friday as that high sets up shop. On the Vipercast tonight, we got a bit of some snowy weather coming in around 10, 11 o'clock midnight tonight into central Idaho, and then we get a quick shot of snow trying to work in overnight through early tomorrow morning. You can see though by 7 o'clock a lot of that snow is already gone, so if we do see any snow, the amounts are looking very low. Another wave of snow is going to try to work in here around lunch tomorrow, and that puts in a touch of snowy weather in areas of Lemhi, Fremont, and around Teton County, Wyoming. Again, a little bit of Bonneville County could see some snowy weather, but again, we're not going to be dealing with a lot of snow. This is kind of just the spillover as it gets over here from Montana. The fog, the low cloud cover remaining in play for Thursday. Snowfall amounts are waning about an inch to less than an inch. About most places in the upper valley will see a skiff of snow, and if we see anything tomorrow, we're going to be dealing with very low snowfall accumulations, but just enough snow to make things slick on the area roadways. We got temperatures tomorrow at 33 for Lava, 28 in Soda, 31 in McCammon, with cold temperatures tonight close to 0 for Bear Lake County, and the same for Lincoln County, Wyoming. 2 tonight in Jackson with a high of 21 for tomorrow. Aiming for the upper 20s for Rexburg and St. Anthony, with the lower 30s in Island Park thanks to the inversion. And look at this, Stanley all the way up to 40 degrees after a low of 1 below tonight. 4 tonight in Arco with a high of 28 for tomorrow. 29 in Idaho Falls, 35 in Pocatello, 26 towards INL, and we're closer towards 40 as you're getting into Burley and Twin Falls in the Mini-Cache area and the Magic Valley. Temperatures in Blackfoot hanging out in the low to mid 30s for Thursday and Friday. The sun's going to come out this weekend with numbers right around freezing for Saturday afternoon and lows falling back into the teens. There's a slight chance of some snowy weather for Monday and Tuesday of next week, but no major storms again for the next 8 to 10 days. Just a little bump in the road weather-wise for tomorrow with a slight chance of snow and a high of 29 for Rexburg. We'll be going to Jackson with a high of 21 tomorrow, 31 for Thursday, and partly mostly cloudy skies to get us through tomorrow with a little more sunshine for the weekend with highs aiming for the low 30s. Overnight lows close to 0. Salmon, mainly cloudy skies for Thursday and a high of 36. We'll see some sunshine working in on Saturday with a high of 33 and some single-digit lows. Pocatello, your 8-day forecast. Highs around 38 for Thursday, 37 on Friday. Very close to 40 degrees for the Saturday and Sunday with overnight lows into the teens. Slight chance of snow for Monday and Tuesday to get us started for next week. Idaho Falls, cloudy conditions for Thursday and Friday with some areas of fog and a few flakes from the fog. We'll work on drier conditions for Saturday and Sunday with highs back in the lower 30s. Mainly sunny skies here for the weekend and a few more clouds.